Wicked Wales Films is part of the Prestatyn and Melodyn Community Action Group based in North Wales, United Kingdom. Since 1997, the charity has run the Prestatyn Pop-In Centre, a full-time open-access centre for young people, many whom are experiencing mental and physical challenges. Wicked runs the Arts and Media department for the charity and runs youth arts and youth film festivals for the last 20 years. 6 years ago, the Wicked Wales International Youth Film Festival was developed. The festival screens short films and makes short films with young people from all over the world. Wicked also runs a pop-up community cinema based in a children's theatre which is situated in the most deprived ward in Wales. The cinema is run by young Wicked volunteers helping to bring affordable cinema to local families. Our Wicked young volunteers have an office at the theatre. This is where they plan their year-round activities of training, running a cinema, podcasts, and including a festival. Wicked's strategic work nationally includes developing and managing a network of over 30 festivals within Wales, and it is called the Wales Youth Festival Network. The network brings independent venues and festivals together to promote films made by young people and screening films for young people. In 2020, Wicked Wales Films brought together Film Ifanc, or Young Film, a group of talented young filmmakers from all over Wales, whose roles include researching and identifying other young filmmakers in Wales and programming their films to be toured in venues across the country. Currently, their programme of films is touring Wales, but shortly will be planning to work with groups all over the UK and then internationally. Wicked is a proud member of the Youth Cinema Network for the last 10 years. The network works with festivals and media training organisations from all across the globe. The network provides award-winning films for the Wicked Wales Festival each year, and the Youth Cinema Network members have also provided many international opportunities for Wicked volunteers and young filmmakers from Wales attending festivals within Denmark, Ireland, Croatia, Greece, Norway, Serbia, Spain, and Germany.